you know, they are 10 great singers, but of course only one will be chosen. Are you worried about those who would not be picked as the winner? And does Showtime have plans for those who are not eventually going to be a winner?
I don't really care about them.
Hindi, honestly, I think
Charot.
meron silang mapupuntahan after the competition, those who don't win. Yun na nga sabi din ni Kay, ang dami nilang fans. Alam mo, merong sinabi na comments si Jurado Ray na parang all the rest backers who came, sobrang kilala sila. More than the winners from before pa. Mas kilala pa yung rest backers ngayon. So parang it just goes to show na parang with their exposure that they have now, they can have careers even after Tawag ang Tanghalan. That's what I think.
At saka marami sa kanila may mga managers na. Kaya feeling ko meron ng nakaplano na para sa kanila
Album.
right after the contest. Yung iba kinuha na ng mga management companies. Yung iba for sure may mga offers na rin sa mga recording company.
At saka nagigigs na yung iba, di ba?
At saka magagaling sila kaya hindi ka pangamba kung anong mangyayari sa kanila dahil lahat sila magkakaroon ng sariling pwesto, mag-aantay na lang sila.
Okay, thank you.
Dagdag ko lang din po.
Go ahead, Ms. Marcy.
As a grand finalist, we'll have a management contract for 2 years.
With ABS.
Under tape office.
So we'll handle
Sasamahan si Chris Aquino. Charing lang. So may management contract sa ABS-CBN, Joe. Ayun lang pala. Okay! We're down to our last question kasi we meet the other we meet pa